y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a real quick apple cinnamon roll dessert. So let me go ahead and get started. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. And I'm going to take regular sized cinnamon rolls, not grands, and I put them in a sprayed muffin tin, and I'm going to make little bowls out of them. I'm going to take some apple pie filling. You could probably take anything that you like, and I'm just gonna take a spoon and put just a little bit of the apple pie filling in each of the little baskets. We'll put this in the oven for 350 degrees, and when it comes out, we're going to put the icing on top, and then that'll be it. So this is fresh out of the oven. I have let it sit just for a few minutes. So I'm going to take the icing and put it on there. So that's it. Another really simple, easy fall dessert. And you can definitely change this out for different things if you wanted to. Hopefully I can get them out of the pan. But if I had to go back and redo it, I think I'd try to cut these apple slices even smaller, because they're probably going to pose a problem when I go to take them out of the pan. But it's really easy and simple, and hopefully everybody will like it. We are going to make another fall recipe. It is a cinnamon roll pumpkin cobbler, or a cinnamon roll pumpkin dessert. The first thing we need to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to mix up our topping first. So you're going to need about a cup of pumpkin, and usually that's about a half of a 15-ounce can. So that's about a cup. You're going to need about a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, and I always make my own, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract or flavoring, about half a cup of heavy cream. You're going to need about a 1/4 cup of sugar, regular granulated, and 3 eggs. Need a 9x13 baking dish, and you're gonna need to spray it, and I've already done that. And I'm gonna take our cinnamon rolls, and we're gonna cut them.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the ground. Willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, oh, oh.
gonna pour this pumpkin egg mixture over the top.
Tiptoes undercover, agents of the other.
Okay, 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. When it comes out, we'll put the icing on top and it'll be ready to go. A really easy fall dessert. I'll see you back here in half an hour. All right, y'all. So this is fresh out of the oven. It's still hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my icing from the cinnamon rolls, and I'm gonna put it on here. Alright, y'all, that's it for today. If you like what you see and you want to come back for more content, I produce videos every week. We try to get in at least 2 a week. Right now, my days that I usually have a video is Tuesdays and Fridays. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.